Hello everyone, welcome to this new technology moment. This is Alan. Today we're going to be sharing with you the experience that we had with this Cinnado camera, the S2 2K 3 megapixel camera, which is solar powered, but different to other models that we have tested. This one features a design that is worth your attention. So it comes very well packaged with all the accessories needed. You'll have it in place in no time. Our recommendation, as always, is set it up on top of your desktop with the Wi-Fi network close and strong. But the most important thing, making sure that your Wi-Fi is transmitting in the 2.4 GHz band and that you are connected to it at the time of setting up your camera. Also keep Bluetooth active during setup. After that, adding the camera in any of the three possible methods is going to be a matter of seconds or maybe a minute if there is an update available.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Make sure that you install your micro SD right here if you're going to use it for local recording. Installation just couldn't be any simpler due to its simple all-in-one design. Just find the spot where your Wi-Fi signal is still strong, drill, place the plate, and slide down the camera. That's it. We were actually surprised by the quality of the image. Of course, as most of the cameras, the beginning of each recording is full of compression, but takes shorter than expected to stabilize in good quality. License plates, for example, are surprisingly legible from a distance. The angle of the camera is the only aspect that we think that could be better. For example, as you can see right here, you just have to find the perfect spot for whatever you need to monitor to be inside of your camera. Right here, for example, you can have an idea how separated the object is to be captured. This one right here is another view from another higher camera. We have used for quite some time the OneView app, which is the one that this camera uses. It features all the aspects that most cameras have nowadays, like privacy areas, intercom, alarm, alerts, which are fantastic by the way, intelligent detection, and much more. You can also share with other users the access to your camera in case that you're traveling or you want to monitor your loved ones. That same good app with many positive aspects is also the only weakness of this camera, as not only searching through the timeline is not very friendly, but you also may end up with many failed downloads, and such interaction with events may be quite difficult. Need to have a little patience to download an important event, and after that, reconnecting to past events may be quite problematic. The camera connects very quickly from the app, which is something important to highlight. Also, something very positive is that interaction with Alexa, and the skill is very good, and the camera can be viewed simultaneously from multiple devices or even locations, of course. Also, live view in Alexa video-enabled devices is as long as you need it to be. So be careful, as you might end up draining the batteries, as the solar panel is not so big to be able to reprovision the lost power. Recommendations? There are just a few. Wi-Fi signal is important to be considered for the particular design of the camera, which is against the wall. Make sure that sunlight at any given moment is gonna be directly over the panel, and avoid installing it under shades, trees, or covered areas. And finally, and not less important, play with the different configurations of the sensitivity of the camera, or you might end up missing recordings and important events. Okay guys, that was all. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it was as informative as it was intended. See you next time.